The Wife's Lament tells the story of a woman who has been abandoned by her husband, who has left her for another woman. She lives alone in exile, feeling isolated and full of sorrow, longing for him to come back. Her sorrow comes from her loneliness, harshness of her environment, and the betrayal she has experienced. Despite her pain, she stays loyal and hopeful, holding on to the memories of the happiness they once shared. The poem explores themes like loss, betrayal, and the lasting power of love even in difficult times. The Wife's Lament is an Old English poem about love, loss, and separation, focusing on the emotional distress caused by betrayal and loneliness. It explores loyalty, love's essence, and societal expectations, highlighting the complexities of human relationships and the challenges they present. A Wife's Lament is a significant Old English Anglo-Saxon poem, widely considered to be the first love poem in English literature. The author remains unknown, leaving us with a sense of mystery regarding their identity. This poem delves into themes of sorrow, depression, loneliness, and solitude. The poem vividly portrays a woman's longing for her absent husband, capturing her emotional journey from initial happiness to profound loneliness. It sheds light on feelings of betrayal and separation, perhaps arising from the challenges of a distant relationship and associated feelings of isolation and despondency. This poem has provided me with insights into the importance of open and honest communication in relationships to avoid misunderstandings. It also emphasizes the value of understanding and nurturing a strong, healthy relationship.